Countdown in 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting our autonomous for match 72. As we were just saying, there are a lot of high-ranking robots in this match. Ooh, some severe bumping and interference from Auto Vortex and KookieBots. This is something I was mentioning KookieBots was a little bit worried about coming into this match, is that the autonomous from Auto Vortex would interfere with theirs, because as you can see, KookieBots running a very impressive multi-side. At least it would be impressive if it was landing on that upper junction. That's the risk when you have such a strong autonomous.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Looks like the Red Alliance coming out of that autonomous with, it could have been a lead for the Blue Alliance, but unfortunately KookieBots missing those beacons, those cones on their upper junction. Looks like we've got a red cone stuck inside 17962, but fortunately very successfully immediately discharged. These Romanian teams are very high scoring, very high ranked, and you're seeing them play right now with a 16379 KookieBots trying to play a bit of defense, and it does seem to be working. A little bit around trying to make sure that these robots are having a hard time scoring, but it is important to know that Auto Vortex did just score again on that upper junction. SBS Bears not being stopped by any of this, of course, scoring themselves. KookieBots sliding back over, trying to go for a cone, going a little bit onto the scoring side instead of the defensive side. Trying to play the game, get those scores on the upper junctions. Not anything touched on any of these medium or lower junctions so far. It's all been upper junction scoring. Very impressive, very interesting. That's a lot of points on the board left for these teams to claim if they so desire. Looks like we've got a blue cone. Ooh, a little bit of a knockoff on the Red Alliance. These robots are fast, but they're also a little bit imprecise. That matter when you're playing against teams that are so high ranked. And again, only been scoring on 3 of the junctions so far. Plenty of room for other junctions to be claimed here, but these teams do not seem to be interested in. They just seem to be going for maximum points, but as you can see, we are 5 seconds away from the end game, which means it's going to be time to lock in some beacons onto the field. And as these upper junctions are getting high, they are getting wobbly. We've seen a lot of matches today where robots have knocked over these junctions. We've got red junction capped. We've got a blue junction under control, a blue junction on the middle field. Now we're going for a blue beacon cap. Boy, can they do it. They already own so many of these beacons. Red beacon capture. 8 seconds left. They're running out. They're out of cones. Things are going fast here. It's all about controlling those other junctions at the very end of the game.